Hello everyone, Sanbonani.
Well, it ended in tears with Cyril Ramaphosa. Wherever Cyril Ramaphosa is right now, Mr. PhalaPala, Mr. Buffalo is very disgruntled at the moment. On the other hand, Busisiwe Mkhwebane is celebrating. Advocate Dalimpofu has outdone himself on this impeachment of Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Surely Mr. PhalaPala is shaking wherever he is because the PhalaPala saga is not going anywhere. The full bench of the Western Cape High Court on Friday declared invalid President Cyril Ramaphosa's suspension of Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, effective immediately. Busisiwe brought an application before court after being suspended in June. On June 8, she announced her decision to investigate the PhalaPala incident as she was enjoined in the law to do so. On the following day, 9 June 2022, Ramaphosa suspended her and the Deputy Public Protector took over her duties. The next day, the Western Cape High Court refused interim relief sought by Mkhwebane in Part A of her application to halt impeachment proceedings against her in Parliament and prevent her suspension. In its judgment, the full bench said Ramaphosa received a letter from Mkhwebane about the PhalaPala investigation, which required him to respond within 14 days from June 7. The Western Cape High Court made their ruling and said, in our view, the hurried nature of the suspension of Mkhwebane in the circumstances, notwithstanding that a judgment of full court was looming on the same subject matter, leads this court to an ineluctable conclusion that the suspension may have been retaliatory and hence unlawful. In our view, the president could not bring an unbiased mind to bear as he was conflicted when he suspended the applicant. However, at the time the suspension was finalized, the president was dealing with an investigation by Mkhwebane, the substance of the allegations of which he could not discuss as he had done with the other investigations, of which he could not discuss as he had done with the other investigations. And this, in our view, is the critical time to assess whether it was still tenable for the president to exercise the suspension powers. Share your views on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.